Hey guys, here's my 420cc Motovox build. Updates. First video. So I started off with the engine plate, took that off. Any tabs over here for the chain tensioner, stock tabs for the wheel. Took all that off. Got steel plates coming in for those. Mild 420 build, flat side carb, ported head, stock internals, just a Hillard clutch, pipe, got a longer one over here that I'm gonna cut around this area and then weld it to that, so it's a longer pipe. Got some slicks in today to replace that tire and new bearings. We'll put those on, and then the steel plate should be here Saturday for the engine plate and tabs. I'm gonna put tabs in the rear instead of at the bottom, so we'll just relocate them to the rear and weld them. Never welded before, so it's all on me if I die. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated.